Welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, I want to discuss with you kung paano ba maglinis ng plato na puno ng kanin na madidikit. Yung ayaw na ba niya matanggal? Ano mo to? Kahit na gano'ng kadiin na ako, gaano ng kadiin, nandyan pa rin yung mga kanin. So, ngayong araw, gusto namin kayo turuan kung paano ba matanggal ang sobrang dikit na kanin. Kakatapos lang natin kumain. Tara, linis na tayo. Okay, so now nandito na tayo sa lababo and we'll teach you how to clean this plate. Make sure na banlawan siya with tubig. Okay, so here's water. And then, lagyan ng soap yung ating brush. Okay. And this is one of the most important. Kailangan meron siyang green side, yung matigas-tigas, and yung soft side. Okay? And then, actually, kung titingnan mo to, kung ipupunas mo siya, gamit yung yellow side, magaspang pa siya. Dami pa niyang mga matitigas na parts. See, I don't know kung makikita niyo siya, no? Pero yan, marami pang mga kanin na dumidikit-dikit. Ano ba yung kailangan gawin? Gamitin itong green side na medyo matigas-tigas pa siya. And kailangan yung weight mo, ano mo talaga, ikuskus mo talaga siya ng ganon. Okay? So, yun. Tapos, dapat i-feel mo ulit siya kung ano ba yung feeling niya. Okay. Alright. So, now, I think this one is clean na siya. Oh, and then this one, look, ang dami pa niyang mga kanin na ano. Now, if we just use this yellow side, tingnan niyo. Magaspang pa yung feeling niya. It feels very hard and still a lot of things in it. So, we have to use this green side and use your weight. Parang daganan mo talaga siya. There we go. There. And then, you have to feel it again to see if you really took out all of the sticky rice. There. Alright. Now make sure the water is not so hard. Yung hindi siya ganun karami. Here, we can see na meron pa siya. Okay. And there we have it, a very clean rice bowl plate. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot from it. I'll see you in the next video with Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Lutong Bahay with Nanay. See you. Bye-bye.